apparently this is love bug season, and love bugs love the exhaust. And I just want to see, like, show what we have to drive through. Look, she's getting attacked. Where's the love bugs?
Literally everywhere.
Literally, like everywhere. I want to see one like land, but they love the smell. There's another one. It's like swarms though. Perfect. She's gonna go 20, everybody.
20 miles per hour.
We were going 5 and now we're going 20. Let's be to record her cracking her back.
Like crack it like that.
I didn't hear anything. Not over the motorcycle. Say I'm
joining
full throttle fools. And your name is
Eric.
And then you over there.
I don't want to join.
You don't want to join. I'm not gonna look for your earring then. I actually have it in my pocket. I'm not gonna give it back.
You did it.
Barely. I'm just kidding. We minus 1 point. We passed. We're safe drivers.
We did it.
And I think the pieces